In this video, I'm showing you the best Android emulator for PC and Mac. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel, and once you've done that, please go and leave a like as well. It helps the channel get to more people. So please do watch this video right until the end so you know the full steps for downloading the emulator and then going and setting it up and going and using it. So without any further ado, let's go and jump into this guide. Now let's go and get into this video. So the first thing you need to make sure is that you have an internet connection and you have a browser at the ready. So I'm going to go and show you the best emulator. I'm going to show you how to download it, how to install it, how to get it set up and running so you can go and use it basically. So the first thing you want to do is open up your web browser. So I'm personally using Google Chrome and a search engine as Google. And the emulator I'm using is called Bluestacks. So type in Bluestacks just like so. I'll zoom in so you know the spelling, just like so, but do keep watching. As I said before, I'm showing the full setup guide. So you want to make sure you come to bluestacks.com, and bluestacks.com is the correct website. As you can see, it does say best mobile gaming platform for PC and Mac, but you've got to consider something. You can also use other apps from the Google Play Store on this. Then all you want to do is make sure you click on download Bluestacks. I don't use Play on the Cloud. I recommend just downloading it onto your computer. So click download Bluestacks and then it's going to take a minute and it's going to start the download. This won't take too long because this is just the launcher. Within the installer/launcher, you're going to go and do the main of the downloading of Bluestacks. So go and click on it once and you may get a Windows QT pop-up, which I can't record unfortunately, but it's now done it and we've got this pop-up here saying install now. And you can go and close off your search engine as well. So I'm going to go and click install now. And then as you can see, it's starting to download, which is 400 megabytes. So just remember this, if you're downloading it, the download speed is going to depend on your internet, but I'll catch up with you once this download is finished. And it may start a few other downloads after the first one finishes, but you simply got to wait and it will continue to do its own thing and I'll update you once the next step happens. Then it's going to disappear and it's going to go and start checking the system requirements. So this will take a few minutes just as it goes and checks your computer, and then it's going to start extracting the files which you just downloaded. So once again, simply wait for this. It's going to go and extract them and then start the install process. And now it's just disappeared, so you've got to continue to wait, and it's probably going to go and launch itself again in a minute. So as you can see, Bluestacks is now starting, so it'll take a few minutes to load for the first time. It may get a bit faster on the second times I found, and sort of once you've sort of used it a few times. So simply wait for it to start, and then once you've started, it's going to go and literally take you to a screen which looks like an Android device. So you're going to have all the apps like Google Play, and then once it loads, it's going to look something like this. So just while you wait for this to load, I want to run through a few key features you're going to find really useful to know. So the first one is, anytime in your app or Google Play Store, just go and click on this home button and it's going to take you right back to the start and it will look like this, back to your app page. And above that, we've got the settings. So click on the settings cog and then we've got all of these different settings here you can go and test out, like memory allocation. So the first thing you want to do is go and click on the Play Store. Now when you first go on Bluestacks, you actually need to go into the Play Store to go and download some apps you would like, and you also need to go and sign in with a Google account. So if you haven't already got a Google account, you'll need to create one. As you can see, it says sign in to find the latest Android apps, games, movies, music and more. So go and click sign in like so, and it'll take you to the sign in, and then you can go and click sign in and it's now checking the info. Then after around a minute, you're going to get the option to be able to go and sign in. So I'm going to go and enter my email. So you use this just like you would a normal computer, you use your keyboard. So I'm going to enter my email and then go and enter my password. And then you have to go and agree to the Google terms of service as well. So I'm going to go and agree to them. I've already read them. And now it's getting the account info and we're going to be able to go and sign in. And you're also going to have this option for Google services. I personally turn that off, but you can do whatever you'd like with that. But here we are in the Play Store, so now we can go and download any app we'd like. And this is the complete normal Google Play Store. So if you've got an Android device, this is exactly the same. So you can download games, you can download softwares, and literally anything you can go and do. So you can go and choose an app. So you'd go and click on it. Say if I want to download Roblox, I'd click here and then I could go and click install. And then it's going to go and start the download just like a normal app would on your phone or even on your computer. And it's going to go and tell you the percentage it has downloaded. And then once it finishes downloading, it's going to be in your home screen just like so. And you can click on it and go and open it up and go and use it. So if you did find this Android emulator guide useful, please go down below and hit the subscribe button. Leave a like for more content just like this. I look forward to catch you in the next one. Peace.